Hi guys, and welcome to Call Me Good Crystal. It's Christmas in July edition, and tonight we're making a reindeer teepee card, a singing reindeer teepee card. It is so cute. It's so huge. It's actually 12 inches tall, and the width is about 9 inches. Let's make it. Hi guys, let's get started making this cute reindeer card. It's so much fun. Okay, so we're gonna get started by doing some scoring. So I'm gonna bring in my scoreboard and we're gonna score each of these papers. It's 8 inches by 8 inches. You have 3 pieces. You're gonna score it diagonally. Score diagonally, I'm gonna show you how to do it. There's a 6-inch line on your scoreboard, so 6 inches, and there are markers going down 2, 3, and the fourth marker. To score 6 inches, you're going to put one, this corner, the corner here, and you're going to line up this one with this marker here on your board, and then you're going to score. And that will give you a perfect mark at the 6-inch line. Since we have our scoreboard out, I'm going to score my booklet, which is 5 inches wide, at 2.5 inches. You're going to take your 3 pieces and fold and burnish all 3 pieces. And we're going to fold these pieces that are 1 inch and 2 1/8 inches in half, right? So this is for his feet, this is for his booklet with a little sentiment. I'm going to now build his hoofs, or his hands I should say. So you're going to stick these pieces at the top here. Now let's build his face. You're going to take this piece and you're going to cut it in half. And now we're going to make his teeth. You're going to stick one like so, and the other like so. Once it's stuck down, you're going to cut off all the excess. You have his teeth. You're going to stick this in the middle, closer to the top. And then his nose, because of course he's Rudolph. You're going to make his nose come right about here. Take a white pencil or white gel pen and create just a little to make his nose a little shiny. So we're all done with his nose. Now let's build his antlers. I usually sketch the antlers. I don't have a cutter for this, so I am gonna try my hand at sketching it. So you're gonna make it like this, and then this, right? So you see what I did? I did 2 like that. Then down here, I'm gonna just make like a little arm like this, and then up here, a smaller one like so. And that's it. That's how I'm going to do his antlers. It's not fancy. So I'm just going to pull my 2 pieces of paper together and I'm going to cut this like so. And I know antlers, they don't have to be perfect, and the reason why they don't have to be perfect is simply because I doubt you'll find any deer in the wild with the perfect antlers. Look at that. See? Beautiful antlers just by cutting by hand. It's really simple, I promise. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to get my reindeer and I'm going to measure. I'm going to find the tip of his nose. I'm going to measure down about 1 inch, make a mark, and then measure an inch from the top here as well. and make a mark here, right? And then I'm going to stick the antlers. This will be on this side and this will be on this side. And I'm going to put a little bit of glue here and a little bit of glue here. And then I'm going to stick this antler like so. And this one like so. It's very similar. See? So you can move it however you want, if you want it higher or lower. But I mean, you know, as I said, this deer is in the wild. He's playing with his friends. He's he's with Dasher and Dancer. He has no time to like have perfect antlers, you know, like most of us don't. And then you're gonna take your second oval and you're gonna close it so that his antlers are really stuck in there nicely, and you don't have to be worried about it being able to peel off, or you don't have to see it. It's literally coming out of his head. Right, we're gonna build his hoofs now. We're gonna take the corner of these and put them here. I will mark it up, then bring it down a little bit and make a little mark. Now you're gonna take this, put glue all over here, and we're going to stick this here, fold it, make sure it's stuck properly. We're going to open it up since this is stuck down really well, and then put some glue on the insides here, and then fold this up. Basically, you're folding it back on itself. And why are you doing that? It's so that you can strengthen the bottom of the card here, and it will stand really well on this hoof instead of standing on just paper only. So it's like a support structure for the card. Now let's build this reindeer. So open it, mark it up. You can make a little mark here, mark it up, make a little mark here to know where to stop putting glue, right? So I'm going to put glue all over here, and I'm going to take this piece and put it at the top here like so. Make sure it can fold comfortably, and the 2 points are perfect. You see how that's perfect on top there? That's what you want to make sure of. Make sure it's stuck down well. And you're going to do the same thing for the other side. We made a mark so you know where to stop putting glue, because you don't put glue all down here. I'm going to take it, I'm going to stick it under, straight up to the corner. And fold it over. And now you have your base teepee card. So our teepee card is made. This is the base of the card right here like this. And let's get started. So we don't want this join where we're putting his face or anything. We want the face to be quite opposite to where the join is. So this will be the ideal place for the face of it. Let me show you. So you're going to open it. I'm going to fold it and fold it. And then we're going to put the face on this side, right? So let's open that side and get started. So I'm going to actually fold this back on itself. I'm sticking his head right up here like this. See how I have the line lined up here and here? Right, now I know it's straight. Then I'm going to make the nose line up straight with it like this. Right? So I put my hand where I want this to be. So I want to come down a little bit. And then I'm going to put some glue, obviously in a circle like this. Put his head down like this. And we're going to stick it up here one time. I'm going to take some, you guys know I love my little mini clothes clips, because it holds things really sturdy so it could stick. I'm going to take these two and I'm literally going to bend it like that. So I'm just lining it up here and bending it instead of having to score it again, right? Like that. So this is his hands that we're going to stick onto here so that he's singing, and he has his booklet that he's singing with. So if you were to measure from the bottom of his face to the bottom, here's 9.5 inches. I think maybe like 3.5 his hands would be good, right? So I'm going to measure the same 3.5 here, right? Then I'm going to stick this on here like this. Make sure it's straight. We have his hands, we have his feet, we have his face. Our reindeer's, I mean, almost done. It's so cool, guys. All right. Now what I want you to do is I want you to give his hands a little curl. And you don't have to do anything fancy, just to curve it like this. And you're going to take your booklet. So you're going to stick out Joy to the World because that's the song he's singing. He's singing Joy to the World. We're going to stick it up here like so. And then I'm going to put some glue just right here only. And I'm going to stick it to maybe right here. And you're letting him hold his book like this. And let's put his little bow. And I'm going to put a big dab of glue in the middle here. And then I'm going to put his bow just right in the middle here. We're going to let that dry. If you really want to be fancy, you could also stick a musical sheet on the inside of his his booklet. You obviously can't put sentiments on the inside here. So now you have your inside of your card beautifully decorated. And you can go give this card to just the best person. And a lot of persons could write. You could write your sentiments, you could do stamps, you could do anything you want on the inside of this card. Close it like this. Thanks so much for joining me while we made this giant singing reindeer teepee card. Perfect for Christmas this year. And if you like this video, please give it an actual thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends. Christmas in July.